Long, long ago in the heart of Coda Forest lived a fox named Cora. One day, while Cora was on his usual hunting routine, Cora noticed something on the ground and paused mid-step to glance at the ground.
What if I told you that you could turn a single sentence into a fully animated story that looks like it came straight out of a professional studio? No complicated software, no animators, and no technical skills. Just you, a simple prompt, and a tool that does the heavy lifting. In this video, I'm going to show you how I create AI-powered animations using OpenArt, stories that people binge watch, share with their friends, and yes, even generate real income. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to build your own animated series from scratch, even if you've never made a video before. So, why OpenArt? Here's the problem with most AI animation tools. Characters look totally different from one scene to the next. The animations often feel clunky or amateur, and worst of all, you end up with random clips that don't connect into a real story. OpenArt fixes all of this. It keeps your characters consistent, gives you polished animation, and helps you craft full narratives instead of one-off scenes. The first thing we need is a character. In OpenArt, you can make one in seconds. Just upload an image, give it a name, and OpenArt will train a custom version of that character. I will first create my image in Sora. The prompt I use is a cute baby fox, Disney art style. This is the image I like the most. I'll download it to my computer and then head over to OpenArt. This is the interface. I'll simply click on the character vlog to create my story. This brings us to this page where you can select from the pre-existing characters or create your own. I will create my own. I will upload a picture of a little fox, name him Cora, and hit create. Now Cora exists as a fully consistent animated character that I can drop into any story I want. No matter what I generate next, Cora will always look the same. Same proportions, same style, same vibe. Now let's put Coda into action. Select U aspect ratio, I'll leave mine as 16:9. Select Cora and type in a simple scene. I'll use Cora walking through the forest, finds a glowing stone, picks it up, and looks amazed as the forest lights up around him. That's it. One sentence. And after a short wait, OpenArt generates a complete sequence. Multiple shots of Coda discovering the stone, reacting to it, and tying it together into a real story arc. And just like that, we've got a mini short film. Now here's where things get powerful. OpenArt has a built-in editor that lets you tweak any detail. Don't like a scene? Regenerate just that part. Want your character to smile instead of frown? Just change the prompt for that shot. It regenerates only that clip while keeping the rest of the story intact. Total control without having to restart. In the editor, you have two views, the storyboard and the timeline. Both of them work the same. On the timeline view on the left, you can regenerate any of the images you don't like. You also get to change the music. I had opted for auto-generated music. Here, you can upload your own or browse through their collection and choose the one you like. You also have the option to add a voiceover. I won't add a voiceover as I prefer to do that in CapCut, but it's an option you have. And lastly, in this view, you can add captions to your videos. In the timeline view, you get these two tables. One is the prompt for image generation, and the other is for video generation. This is where you get to edit what you want in your video output. And if you want to go bigger, just keep adding shots. Each new prompt extends the story. You can make 60-second shorts or even full episodes. I will export my video and use 11 Labs to generate a voiceover. This is how creators are building whole YouTube channels around their AI characters. Viewers get attached, stories keep unfolding, and suddenly you've built a franchise. Here's the thing. AI animated shorts are blowing up right now. People love bite-sized stories with cute or emotional characters. And since OpenArt makes it so easy to keep a character consistent, you can build an audience that keeps coming back for more. Although the story I've generated is in horizontal format, you can also make them in vertical format for YouTube shots. You also have access to all the best video generator in the market right now, such as Kling, Seedance and Halo, and some of the best image generators. So now it's your turn. Head over to OpenArt.ai, create your first character, and start experimenting with your own stories. For anyone who uses the link below, you get 5 free video generations and 1 free story, and if you upgrade, you get unlimited Hilo video credits for the entire 2 weeks. The offer ends on the 7th of September. You can also use the code on the screen to get a discount. All links will be in the description box below. What kind of world will you build? A superhero saving the city? Try it out, share your character idea in the comments, and I might feature the best ones in a future video. This is the future of storytelling, and you don't want to miss it.